how to recover Facebook account. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And in today's video we will learn how we can recover your Facebook account. So without further delay, let's get started. So for that, first of all, you have to open up a Facebook and land on the login page. So once you're here under the login page, under the password field, there is an option as forgot password, so tap on it. Now you will be taken on the space to find your account. If you can see your account here, simply tap on it and then you'll be prompted to log in. If you cannot find your account here, tap on I don't see my account. Now to find your account, you can either enter your email address or your phone number. So if you want to continue with a phone number where you may receive WhatsApp and SMS notifications from Facebook for the security and login purpose, you could do that. If not, you could also enter your email address. So tap on email, then enter your email. After that, Facebook will search for your account that match. So once you enter either your email or your phone number, you will receive a code that will be sent to your respected registered email or phone number. So you have to select the option with whom you have access with and then tap on continue. Once you receive the code, all you have to do is enter the code in the box on the screen and tap on continue. If the code is correct, you will be allowed to set a new password. So make sure that you create a new strong unique password and confirm it. And then now you can log in with your new password. That's it. That's how you can recover your Facebook account, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.